Behind every protein bar is a factory built for precision and scale. Every protein bar begins with carefully sourced raw ingredients.
Precision handling ensures consistency before production even starts.
Automated systems clean and prepare ingredients without human contact.
Only perfectly prepared ingredients move forward to production.
Precise ratios are released into industrial-scale mixers. Controlled motion ensures even distribution at massive scale. Binders transform dry blends into workable dough. Texture is engineered for structure, taste, and stability. The formed dough moves seamlessly into shaping.
Cooling stabilizes the dough before cutting.
The blended dough is extruded into perfectly uniform slabs, ready for precision shaping. Uniform slabs travel along the conveyor, maintaining exact thickness and texture. Precision lasers map each bar, ensuring consistency in every piece. Cutting is executed with mechanical accuracy, preserving dough texture and shape. Each bar is perfectly aligned, spacing optimized for the next production step.
Pre-chilling stabilizes the dough, maintaining texture for later processes.
Automated inspection ensures every bar meets strict quality standards. The perfectly shaped bars now enter the coating tunnel for a luxurious chocolate layer.
Chocolate coats each bar evenly, forming a smooth, glossy finish. Rollers ensure every surface is perfectly smooth without damaging the dough.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the chocolate while preserving the dough's texture. Optional drizzles add visual appeal without altering the bar's structural integrity.
Every bar is checked to ensure perfect coating and uniform shape.
Bars are now perfectly aligned, spacing optimized for packaging.
With coating complete, the bars are ready for the final production stages. Each bar, precisely sized, moves forward to be individually wrapped.
Every bar undergoes rigorous quality checks to meet exact standards.
Optical systems verify the chocolate coating and detect surface imperfections.
Weight and size are double-checked to ensure uniformity across the batch.
Safety checks confirm each bar is free from contaminants.
Bars are precisely arranged to facilitate automated pallet stacking. Bars are transferred carefully to trays, preserving shape and coating. Robotics ensure every pallet is perfectly organized for storage and shipping.
A final human check confirms that only the highest quality bars move forward.
Each bar, precisely sized, moves forward to be individually wrapped.
Modern wrappers form a protective seal around each bar, ensuring freshness.
Heat sealing locks in quality, creating a durable, tamper-proof package.
Barcodes and batch codes track every bar through production and distribution. Final scanning ensures wrapping integrity and confirms bar size consistency. Bars are collected systematically to maintain perfect order before palletizing.
Pallets of fully wrapped bars arrive in the warehouse, ready for systematic storage.
Robotics organize the warehouse efficiently, maximizing space and accessibility. Every pallet is logged in real time to maintain precise inventory control. A human check complements automation, confirming product quality. Automated conveyors transport pallets to the loading zone efficiently.
Final verification ensures every bar maintains its quality before leaving the warehouse. Every pallet is now ready to be shipped, completing the factory journey. And this is how modern factories move finished protein bars from production to shipment. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns, from ingredient to finished product.